Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Akshata and this is my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get this look right here using my products, and if you want to know how to look expensive, then just keep on watching. And I have used the products which I have, and you did not use the same products, you can use the products which you have. So obviously we're gonna start with the moisturizer. I'm taking my Clinique moisturizer, which is almost over. This is a very good product, a little pricey, but it does its job very well. So next up is the primer. I'm taking my Maybelline primer, and what primer does it creates a smooth base. तो उससे क्या होता है, फाउंडेशन बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो जाता है. So for my brows, I'm taking this Nykaa pencil. मेरे लिए ये step optional है. I don't really use brow pencil always, but here I'm using it just to filling the gaps. So we need to set those eyebrows. I'm taking this Benefits Gimme Brow, and it is a gel. So उससे I'm gonna set my eyebrows. So next is the concealer. We need to conceal all those dark spots and dark circles right there. So I have done a new trick. I don't remember मैंने वो वीडियो कहाँ पे देखा था, on YouTube or somewhere else. So I am going to conceal my under eye areas. But earlier we used to do it in the triangle shape. But now I'm doing something else. Just observe this and just see what I'm doing. So I am also concealing those areas which are little bit red or redness hai, and some on the acne or the pimples. So see how the concealer brush I'm moving it upwards. So by this step, I'm gonna lift my face up. So next up is the foundation. This is the Chanel Ultra Velvet Foundation. I had taken this from Mauritius airport while returning home from my honeymoon, and this is a very good foundation. So what I observed was this foundation has to be blended quickly. So that is why I'm using this brush. This helps me blending this foundation like really fast and quick. So the very important step is setting the foundation with the compact powder or loose powder. So I'm taking my Maybelline compact powder and setting my foundation near my T-zone area and under my eye. So ये मैंने पैलेट मेरे सिस्टर इन लॉ से ढापा है, and I like the colors in it. So I'm taking the light brown color first and applying it all over the lid. So next I'm taking a little darker brown color and applying it on the outer corner, and I'm also going to take some of it on the crease like area and blend it. So after that I am taking this champagne gold color and I am going to apply it on the inner area of my eye. So I zoomed a little so you guys can see it properly. I recently started using a different app, so थोड़ा editing better होने वाला है. So people who know me know that I don't like using eyeliner, but for this look without eyeliner it could have looked completely. So this eyeliner is also 50s. I don't even own an eyeliner. Oh my god. So once I'm happy with my winged eyeliner, I am going to curl my lashes. I'm taking this eyelash curler to curl them, and by this the eyelash stays up for a longer period of time. And I'm going to take my favorite mascara, which is from Maybelline. I have two favorites, this Colossal one and Lash Sensational. So this new trick also I learned from somewhere. I learned it from Korean makeup. So next up is the blush. Let's just paint those cheeks pink pink. And थोड़ा nose पे लगाने का fashion है, so why not? Highlighter, my love. So this is the favorite step of every girl, I think, and applying it on the usual areas, nose, cheekbone. So next I'm going to take this red lip liner and gonna outline my lips with them. So the entire how to look expensive look depends on this red lip. Because of this red lipstick, the look gets and here I'm using MAC's Ruby Woo red lipstick. This is the ultimate red lipstick of MAC. I think everybody knows it. Completed. So the last step is setting spray. I'm taking my MAC setting spray and just gonna spray some on my face and let it set. So the first tip was to wear a red lip to look expensive. The second tip is to wear gold jewelry, like anything gold. सब कुछ same होना चाहिए. Your earrings, your watch and your jewelry should match. You can even wear silver, but it should match, like silver watch, silver jewelry. And the third and the most important tip is about your hair. Your hair should look very good. You can curl your hairs or you can straighten them. So this is my final look. I hope you all loved it. Thank you for watching. Bye.